YouTube, for today's episode, it's a garlic bread grilled cheese. So for today, we have 2 slices of thick cut white bread, garlic butter, mild cheddar, and we got 4 things of singles. So let's get started. So we took that garlic butter and put it on there. So the rest of that is for the other side. I sprayed this down with canola spray, and we're going to take this bread, flip it down, and we'll top it. Alright YouTube, so load your cheese onto there. You want to put 4 slices on. We want this to be healthy. Alright YouTube, so take your other slices and cover that up. And to the next step. So we have those slices down. I actually did garlic butter on the other side, and we're going to want to start putting these shreds on top of this. So you got American and cheddar. The thing you want to do now is turn the stove on to low, and the secret to this recipe is slow. Alright YouTube, so I have the shreds down, and I have this on low. Use a cover if you have to. And I have a spatula, and that bread that'll go on top of this when we're done. So just keep this on between low and medium, and just stir this about. If you have to, pull the sandwich up and look on the bottom. But once the bottom gets done, we're going to put the top, and then we'll flip it. And then after both sides have garlic butter on there, we will slowly melt the cheese. Alright YouTube, so we have this top on. Now we want to flip it, and then after both sides are toasted, that's when we'll turn it down to low and cook it slowly. Alright YouTube, so that's flipped. Now we're going to want to turn the stove down to low. It's on low right now, and just start turning it and flipping it to the cheese melts, and to both sides are brown as you want it to be. If you have to, put a cover on top. YouTube, so to get this melting faster, I took water, put it around the pan, and I put the cover on, and steam is going to melt it. See you soon at the cutting board. Alright YouTube, there you have it. So see you at the cutting board, and then we'll cut this grilled cheese. Alright, so there you have it. Your garlic bread grilled cheese sandwich. Look at that cheese in there. You can't go wrong. If you like recipes like this, please subscribe. And I'm really good with my YouTube channel now. I'm bringing like 4 uploads a week. So talk to you soon, and see you at the next recipe.